Hey, there's a new epidemic ravaging Nigeria and Africa right now. It is not HIV, it is not Ebola. This epidemic is spreading like wildfire. It is poverty. Nigeria has become the poverty capital of the world. A new report by the World Poverty Clock, published in 2018, shows that Nigeria has overtaken India as the country with the most extremely poor people in the world. The report states that almost 87 million Nigerians are living in extreme poverty. Extreme poverty, according to the World Bank, is living below $1.25 a day. And $1.25 a day in a month is less than 15,000 naira in a month. So if you're earning less than 15,000 naira in a month, according to the World Bank, you're not just poor, but you're living in extreme poverty. Now, when they say that 87 million Nigerians are living in extreme poverty, it means that almost 1 out of every 2 Nigerians is living in extreme poverty. Over 40 million Nigerians of working age are unemployed. This number is higher than the entire population of Ghana, which is 25 million. Every year, over 500,000 youths graduate from our universities and polytechnics, and government, both the federal and the state government, cannot provide jobs for these graduates. As a matter of fact, both the federal government and the state governments are finding it very difficult to pay the people already on their payroll. If these statistics does not scare you, nothing else will. Beloved, you don't want to know the number of graduates that I encounter almost on a daily basis who have decided to commit suicide because things are so bad for them. And they can't see any way out of their predicament. They are graduates, and for years they have been unable to secure employment and have been bruised and battered by the scourge of poverty. Just the other day, I stumbled onto a 47-year-old man that had written his suicide note. His reasons was that he is 47 years old, no job, no money, no wife, no children, and he cannot even feed himself. And he has tried his best for years and nothing has changed for him. According to him, he now decided to release himself from this bondage of living in hell. There are millions of people like him in Africa today. And there was a time in my life that I was so broke. I was so confused that I contemplated suicide. Believe me, I know how devastating poverty can be. It makes you lose your self-esteem and confidence. It makes you feel less than a human being. It makes your family to be ashamed of you. It makes your friends to avoid you. There is nothing good about being broke. Hey, you don't have to get to the point of that 47-year-old man. You don't have to get to the point of contemplating suicide before you do something to change your fortunes. You can do something right now to ensure that you don't get to that point. You can do something right now to ensure that you are not part of that statistics of those living in extreme poverty. Yes, you can do something about it. I can help you. So what is the solution to this desperate situation? The solution lies in training and equipping and empowering people with proven wealth creation principles and strategies. I have come to understand through vigorous studies, research, and interactions that most people are poor and they don't even know the real reasons why they are poor. It can be quite frustrating to be suffering and yet you don't even know the cause of your pain. A cure is not possible without accurate diagnosis. You can't be helped until you know what is ailing you. I want to share with you lessons that I've learned that have helped me escape poverty. I have taught these lessons and principles to many people, and these lessons have empowered them to escape the frustration and the devastation of poverty. And I have summarized these lessons into 7 real reasons why you are broke. It's a video masterclass. In this 7 real reasons why you are broke video masterclass, it's going to be a 7 days convenient and flexible online training and mentorship. In this training, I will show you 7 major reasons why people are broke and help you to overcome those reasons. I want you to understand that it is not what you don't have that is making you poor, but what you don't know that you have that is making you poor. The difference between a manager and a gate man lies in what they know. The difference between a rich man and a poor man lies in what they know. A poor man is simply someone with a poverty mentality, and a rich man is someone with a wealthy mentality. We are the products of our mentality. The best way to change your financial situation is to change your mentality about money by imbibing wealth creation mentality. What will you learn during this video masterclass? Number 1, you will learn to identify the lies that have kept people broke, and you'll be empowered to overcome those lies and limiting beliefs. Number 2, you will learn the difference between money and cash. Yes, there's a difference between money and cash. Most people are broke because they don't know this difference. The poor pursue cash while the rich pursue money. Just knowing the difference between money and cash is a game changer in your pursuit of prosperity. Most people are pursuing the wrong stuff. Number 3, you will learn how to sell anything. You will discover what really motivates people to buy things. When you know why people buy, it becomes easy to sell anything to them, whether goods or services. Selling is the fastest way to get out of poverty. Wealth is transactional. To be wealthy, you will need to have the skills that will empower you to make sales transactions. Number 4, the main purpose of this masterclass is to infuse in you the mindset of an entrepreneur. Once you have this mindset, you are free from poverty for the rest of your life. You will learn how to identify and maximize opportunities profitably anywhere you are. I therefore invite you to a journey that will literally transform your mindset about money and enable you to escape extreme poverty and live the life of your dreams. But you will need to register for the 7 real reasons why you are broke video masterclass. And when you register for this masterclass, you will receive, number 1, 7 real reasons why you are broke ebook. Secondly, you will have access to join our mentorship community in a closed Facebook group where we will provide mentorship, direct mentorship for you, and also where discussions are also held on what was taught in the masterclass, and where you can ask questions and people will answer your questions. Where you also have interactions with thousands of people who have joined this class. Thirdly, you will receive the award-winning entrepreneurship audio drama, Waiting You Carry. Finally, you will receive the main deal, which is the 7 real reasons why you are broke video masterclass. Normally, the price for all this should be in the neighborhood of 30,000 naira. But if you will register before, I'm going to give you a special offer of 1,000 naira. After, the price will go up. So if you register for this masterclass before, you will register at 1,000 naira. I said 1,000 naira. Then after that date, the price will definitely go up. Why is this masterclass ridiculously cheap? Why is it this cheap? Well, I want to help out. I have dedicated the rest of my life to help at least 1 million African youths escape the scourge of poverty. That's why I'm doing this. I'm not trying to sell anything to you. I want to help out. Who am I? I am a serial entrepreneur. I'm a leadership coach, and most importantly, I'm a business coach. I have been helping a lot of young people to discover their talents and also to help them build businesses around their talents. I have helped countless individuals escape the poverty scourge. You can check me out on my various social media handles. On Instagram, Annie Ikebudu, on Instagram. On Facebook, Annie Ikebudu. Also on Facebook, Money Academy. Also on Facebook, Position Yourself for Marriage. And also on Facebook, Mind Power. Hey, this is not a scam. This is not a gimmick. This is a program born out of a genuine desire to help. If you register and at the end of these 7 days, you did not get your money's worth, I personally will refund you your money. But guess what? I suspect that you will not register because the same thing has kept you broke. Doesn't want to allow you to register and break free from poverty. The thing that has kept you broke is telling you that 1,000 naira is too much. It is reminding you of what you can do with 1,000 naira. The thing is telling you that you don't have or you can't afford 1,000. That thing wants to keep you perpetually broke. Hey, break out of that poverty bondage and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Believe me, this is going to be the most profitable 1,000 naira you have ever spent in your life. Why am I not giving it out for free since I want to help? I have noticed from experience that people do not value anything they do not pay for. But once they pay for something, they view it as an investment, and consequently they value it and they do all they are able to do to make sure that they benefit from that investment. By the way, if you can't afford to pay 1,000 naira, maybe this masterclass is not for you. If you need to borrow, do so and register for this life and destiny transforming masterclass. Register now and thank me later. See you at the masterclass.